So guys, Lee the sprayer, Lee the spray. Okay, the one that works the hardest out of the three Lees. Keep watching the YouTube vids, guys. Do subscribe if you don't mind, and so on. And keep watching. Give us some likes on the old YouTube and that. Sorry about the noise. That's my doors in the wind. It's not my wind. It's the wind outside. Nature's wind. Look, that is a Ludwig snare. That's a lovely, great little vintage snare drum that we have refinished. Isn't that lovely? Don't forget, I've got all the bare edges to do yet. I do them all by hand, all nice and sweet. So I'm just trying to catch the light for you. You'd rather look at that than my ugly mug, wouldn't you? So that's really pretty. So good quality, really nice. And once the hardware goes on these things, they look really sweet. So what else have we got? So that's a red, by the way, red with like a black base underneath. So it gives quite a cherry-ish red. It's darker in real life slightly than what you see there. Then I got this bass drum. Hold on. So this is a red on a red. You see, so I spray it like a cherry red underneath and then the red on the top. And then it's got the black, and we're going to put the black hoops on it. So that's really pretty. It's a single item, a one-off, just all on its own. So that's that one. Hold on. Da, 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 da. And then we got, a purple to black fade, look. Purpley black fade. All sprayed, don't forget, no wraps. So it's all as smooth as my bottom. Okay, on a good day. No, smooth as a baby's bum. So that's a lovely one. Sorry about the light as well coming from up there. It sort of gives a bit of a hazy look to the camera. So there's that one. Let's jump over. We've been working on a slingerland that should have gone out by now. Are you still there? Here we go, slingerland, which is a white with a tiny amount of prism inside it. And I got to redo, just alter the holes ever so slightly and fit the fit-ins for the customer and so on. And that's that one. Look, oh, there you are. I can catch it there. Woo. So it's a full kit in a slingerland. Let's just put that back very carefully on my carpet. There, and there. Just move my drill over a little bit. Oh, I think it's because I had that up on there like that. And then we come to a really different one. Ooh, full kit, Pearl Masters. Ooh, it's purple and it's black. Yes, it's purple and it's black, as you can see, like boom, 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 boom. But whoa, now then, once we finish the purple to black fade, using a candy color black, so when the light catches it, look, the candy, the black almost fades into the purple. So from a distance, it's quite black. Then under another light, you see the purple. And then if the light gets brighter, the purple is seen through the black, if you understand what I mean. Then we sprayed a holographic over the top of it. And that's really hard to show you on the camera, but can you see it? Now, the holographic is the same then as the Yamaha Black Galaxy, that I believe that's what they call it. So there you are. You can just catch it coming through now. So there's layers, a bit like Shrek. So we do our base coat. We then do our metal flake over the top of that to create that lovely purple feel. Then we do our candy sprays down over the top of that. And then we clean that back a little bit. Then we start to put a bit of lacquer on. Then we start to put the other sparkles on, and then we build the lacquers. And the reason that a lot of drums stay here for a while with us, okay, there is a long waiting list, and also they do stay with us a while because of the amount of processes. You've got to allow things to breathe, guys. I can't just keep whacking paint on all the time. So I do one process and then I leave them. Now, the manufacturers will say that I can leave them 2 hours and apply again, or I don't. I leave them for 2 days, because take it from me, with experience of other people, if you're not careful, what happens is you put in too much on, the gases are trying to come out and they blister the paintwork, so that's no good. We want them to just dry and dry and dry. So all gases are out, I leave them for a couple of days, move on to other projects, then come back, and then we do the next process. So everything is absolutely solid as we work through. But don't forget, there's 12 to 15 coats of lacquer on the top of the finished product. So it's a lot of depth to that, but still only microns. And then I do the bearing edges, etc. Clean up. It needs a little bit more polishing, and we bring it up to scratch. So just one more try, and let's see if I can just tilt you slightly to catch. There you go, look at that. Okay, so there's a couple of projects that we got on the go. There's more here as well. We got some sonars we're doing in reds and so on. I got some other colours in there. I got some more blacks. I got some more white. I got some more matches to do. I got some yummy with a stripy blue and grey. So there's just loads over there. It's a little bit like, oh gosh, frightening. So we keep on going at it. And, you know, apologies again that there are waiting lists, but that's simply because of the quality against the difficulties that you face when you do this sort of work. Plus, obviously, we spray, and I do have a life, believe it or not. I do have a life outside of this place. Okay, guys, so take it easy. There's some colours there. If you want to get in touch with Cariad, look up Cariad Custom Drums website where all these videos are on. But there's other videos and all the rest. And I got to go now and have a little pee and get back to work next door. See you soon. Over and out. Take care. The spray.